Hello guys, ito ang aking niluto for lunch today, Monday guys. Araw ng butuhan today. Ito ang aking fish fillet, ang ating tortang talong, ang chicken wings fried chicken, and then ang ating baby back ribs for lunch. Ayan guys, ang ating mga menu, napakasarap for today lunch. Napaka-yummy. Masarap ng aking baby back ribs barbecue guys. Ayan. Malasang malasa siya.